how to show or hide related to you notifications content on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First open VK and now click this hub icon here in the bottom corner, and once you're here click these three lines and then click settings and click the first one here, notifications, or you can just scroll down until you find it and then click scroll down and click related to you. Here's it, and here you can manage it. You can select only the important ones. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.